Hi everyone. Yesterday, if you had seen my video, then I mentioned that market today will be trending. And to be honest, in the beginning I thought the market won't be trending, because if you see, there was the possible breakdown level. Also there was the low reversal zone. I mean, the reversal zone was here, exactly here, right? And I cannot see the reversal zone normally. I can only see the reversal zone after the opening of the market. And today when the market opened, I thought the market will not move the downside. But what happened after that is, market closed a candle below, and then it didn't break the high. To be honest, just watch this. This was the low making candle, and the low wasn't broken. But the next time when the candle closed here, and the candle made the candle next candle broke the low, and after that it has given a good move. After that, a small pullback had come, and exactly the pullback went to the reversal zone, and from there it again moved towards the downside. So overall the whole market was weak today. Just let me make this wide and you will see this is completely genuine, and I didn't draw anything. It was drawn by my indicator only. For the first time the breakdown was done, but the low wasn't broken. Again it went up, again it came down, breakdown, low was broken, and the price gave a good move downside. And after that the price kept falling only, and when the price went up, it gave a move till only this reversal zone. After that it has moved down and done the full target. It gave a small pullback, and again it's falling. It's a huge fall, to be honest. After a very long run, it is a around 250 points fall. That is actually a huge fall. Almost 2 days of gain is gone. The gap is filled, and everything that you can see, this is completely, this is completely not human drawn. This is completely drawn automatically by our indicator only. As you can see, these are the logical trend lines that the indicator is making. Now, as you can see, the market is taking support right now, and support will be proven only if the price moves up from here and again touches the new high of 18,000. We'll see what is happening from the option chain. Now let's go to the bank nifty chart and let's see how it performed. Now, as you can see, the bank nifty in the last hour, it has given a breakdown at exactly at the very last moment. So it was hard to capture, but throughout the whole day it was sustaining above the demand zone and above the reversal zone, and throughout the whole day it was neither bullish nor bearish. It was just sideways, and we sold the put and we made money from it. Our AI option expert has given a put to sell, and we booked here. I think we booked exactly here at we sold at 43 rupees and we bought it at around 3 rupees. So this was the trade, and let's see now what will happen tomorrow. Before that, I'll just want to show you that what we did. Look at this. In this channel, Humble Trader's Diary, this is my channel. I told you that Kotak Bank will figure what, because of the Kotak Bank, today Bank Nifty will move. Now let's see what Kotak Bank did. My English is really bad. I'm learning actually, and English is not my mother tongue, obviously. I'm a Bengali. So please bear with me. Okay, I'm recording this in English because many traders are from south and many different places, and they don't understand Hindi. So what happened today is, after giving the breakdown and on the Kotak Bank, this was the reversal zone, possible reversal zone. So the price was obviously the sideways, because we won't sell above the reversal zone. But at the last moment it has given a breakdown, and also the bank nifty has given a breakdown. Now what we'll do is, we will go to the bank nifty and nifty chart, and we will see what will happen tomorrow. Let's see. Now, as you can see, this is the next period level. Supply zone, demand zone, everything is made, but we haven't added the reversal zone, because reversal zone is reversal zone can only be drawn after the market opening, okay, not before that. And this is such a powerful concept. As you can see, whenever the breakdown point was broken today, the market has given a very good down move. And let's just wait for 3 minutes, because these zones will change, and this zone will change, and they will be consolidated. The zones will properly be seen after the closing of the market, which is after 3 minutes. So for that 3 minutes, let's just check some different stocks, how they moved and what they did. Most of the time, let's suppose the HSCL, what it did, let's see. Let's just change the indicator a little. Okay. As you can see, HSCL, the breakout level was broken and it zoomed. And this is Blue Star. The levels are loading slowly because my Wi-Fi access is here is really bad, please bear with me. As you can see, the breakout level was crossed, reversal level was crossed, and after that what happened? The price throughout the whole day was bullish. Although it didn't do the target 3, but it was bullish throughout the day and it's still in profit. This is Dhani Services, and this, and done. Most of the time when the breakout level is crossed, you will see a very beautiful move most of the time. And Mass Financial Service, it was done, and it's upper circuit, I think. So if you are an intraday trader, this kind of things can help you a lot, and it can also help on the positional sides as well. We will just change the indicator to the positional time frame. This is just the intraday time frame. As you can see, it was crossed and it has done the target. But obviously you won't trade with this. You will only trade when there are multiple confirmations and things like that. And let me just show you how beautifully it works during in the higher time frame. Let's see what happens. This is the higher time frame, and as you can see, in this higher time frame we can easily see that how the price is reacting throughout the zones, and how the trend lines were automatically drawn. I didn't do anything. The entire thing is done by our indicator only. This is LG Equip. Now the market has closed. As you can see, price stuck there, and again it came down, and again it's trying to give a breakout. And for LG Equip holders, if any good candle closes above the yearly breakout zone, then you can easily see the 471 and 531 target. These targets are very logical and really very highly working targets. Now let's start with this. Okay. Now when the market is closed, let's discuss tomorrow's level. Now as you can see, we are seeing multiple levels, and I'll also give you the supply and demand zones. I won't discuss anything, just pause the video and you will see every level is marked on the right side, right? Draw these zones. So basically what your strategy is, tomorrow the market can be bearish because the market is closing here. Sorry, the zones has changed. Let's just refresh the page, okay? Because the market has closed right now. So let's just refresh the page. Just a minute. Okay, it's done now. Actually we are constantly developing the indicator and everything, so some trouble comes like this. Now As you can see, the market, if the market opens here somewhere between the zone, then that's a problem, because moving upper side, moving lower side, don't buy any call, don't buy any put. Only buy any call if the price closes above the breakout level. Only you can buy the put if the price closes below the breakdown level. But the main thing is, today price was bearish, and the indicator is indicating tomorrow also the price can be bearish. If the price comes here after opening flat, then there is a very high probability that price will move down from here. If anything crosses above the breakout level, that can be a trap. So tomorrow we need to watch the reversal zone as well, because reversal zone will decide many things tomorrow. If the reversal zone is too close, then there will be a downward pressure. So I will suggest you to watch negative. If the price opens gap up, then that's a different story. If the price opens gap up, then it might come to here and then again bounce. So it is very much messy concept. Still, watch all the things and mark all the targets, target 1, target 2 and target 3, all the zones and everything. But the reversal zone I can only tell you tomorrow, not today. Now, so what can happen if the price opens flat? Then there will be a downward pressure. That is the higher probability. If it crosses the breakout, then you might call a short, you might short a put or maybe buy a call. Now if it crosses the breakdown level, then you might short a call or buy a put. To be honest, I will be looking for the downside. If the price isn't opening with gap up, then there will be a likely chance that price will fall to this. Why this level? Because as you can see, the trend line is finishing right here. This is the trend line. So there are multiple trend lines, but I will follow only this one, because this one seems very logical, and let's go to the Nifty chart. As you can see, Nifty closed below and it moved down, and again the same concept. If it comes to this, it can fall. There is a high probability of failure. And if it crosses the breakout, then it can do the target 1, target 2 and target 3 is very hard to do, but still it is possible. It is very much possible. Always correlate Nifty and Bank Nifty together. If they both are moving in one side, then there will be a very higher probability of success. Now, to be honest, where the market is reacting right now, the market is in a trend line. It's coming to this, but this trend line won't sustain. It will most likely not sustain. But this trend line is very logical, so it's very logical for the market to move downside towards this level. Now 17,000 level is very strong. We need to see the option chain data as well, that if the price can support at this level or not. But still, if the price opens flat, then there is a very high probability that price will come to this and fall. If the price crosses this, then you can buy a call or short a put. If the price crosses down, then you can short a call or buy a put. This is the concept. Mark all the level. Just pause the chart and mark all the levels. Now let's go to the option chain. Okay, as you can see, 17,600 level is having the massive, it's having a massive amount of call writing of around 1,05,000, and it's having a put writing of 51,000. So 17,600 level is basically, it's a very strong resistance level. And as you can see, it was in front of you that this level was drawn. And what is this level? 17,632, 17,632, 17,670. So this level, I didn't draw it. It was drawn before your eyes, it was in front of your eyes. So this is the thing. This is how powerful my indicator is. The OI level It's automatically seeing the OI level, and it's automatically calculating the OI level, and it's automatically drawing all these zones. So OI saying the same data, that 17600 will be a very strong resistance. After that 17700 will be a very strong resistance. After that 17800 will also be a strong resistance, and 18000 also is a very strong resistance. So the obviously expiry was today, and this is also the 3rd February data, but still we are seeing the thing. This will not be much reliable, but the main thing is tomorrow's, the next expiry data, it will not be available much, let's just see, because there is not much call writing, not much put writing. We need to wait for one day to get the proper data that we want, and still this is 17600 is a good strong resistance, 17700 is a very strong resistance, and 17800 is a massive resistance. If we talk about the support, then 17450, 17500 is a good support, but it is not that strong, but it is good. 15,000 versus 38,000, and then okay, next best support will be at 17,000. As you can see, the next best support will be 17,000. So if in any case 17,000 gets broken, sorry, 17,500 gets broken, then a fall till 17,000 can be seen. But this is not the complete view. We will go to the monthly option chain as well. Okay, let's go to the monthly option chain and see what is happening there. Okay, as you can see in monthly option chain, 17600 is not that strong. It's 19,000 versus 18,000. So let's go to the 17500. 17500 is 38,000 versus 22,000. So positionally on the monthly time frame, it is still a strong support, and on the monthly time frame 17200 is also a strong support, and then 17,000 obviously it's like a Lakshman Rekha, isko cross nahi kar sakte downside, it will be very very strong. So 17,000 is very very strong. Now on the upper side, as you can see, 17,700 is a strong resistance, 17,800 is also a strong resistance, but the massive resistance will be at the 45,000 OI, that is 18,000 level. So let's just sum it up. Tomorrow, if the market opens flat, then there is a very high probability market will go up, stuck to the supply zone, and it will go down. Breakout level on the upper side will be much lower than today. If the price crosses the downside, the breakdown level, then it will be a higher probability that the market will fall. In both Nifty and Bank Nifty, always compare Nifty and Bank Nifty together. If one is laggard and one is trending, then that's a difficult day to trade. That's the first thing. Second thing, if they are moving both opposite ways, then wait for them to go to the same direction, then trade. Otherwise, they will be most likely sideways. And the third thing, any kind of breakout tomorrow should be above reversal zone, which I can give you only tomorrow in my channel, because it will only be generated after the market opens. Okay, and today we bought Dalmia Bharat, Dal Bharat future, this one, and although our target was big, but it wasn't done fully. As you can see, we bought it at around 27, at around this price 27, and after that it has fallen. Our hope was that the price will move up and it will do all the targets, but the thing is it didn't do. It came down. Our SL was 1900 at around this level, and around this, this, for just a single 25 paisa it didn't touch our SL, for just 25 paisa, but we got panicked and we exited it in small loss. But after that it has given the target one, but still it was a loss day. But the main thing is view was clear and indicator worked properly. It has given us the profit, but we booked the loss because of our own stupidity, because of my stupidity anyway. We panic. That happens, everyone panics. when it comes to the real money, na, everyone panics. But you need to keep the faith on the system, and you need to trade, and you need to maintain the risk reward, and that is how you make money in the long run. So अगर कल का व्यू जो होगा हम उसे नेगेटिव ही देखेंगे, एक लेवल तक हम नेगेटिव देखेंगे. किस लेवल तक नेगेटिव देखेंगे हम? 17,500 तक हम उसको नेगेटिव देखेंगे. अगर 17,500 टूट जाता है तो फिर हमें चिंता करने की ज़रूरत है बहुत ज़्यादा, और अगर वो नहीं टूटता तो फिर वहीं से मार्केट फिर से घूमेगा और 18,000 के लिए चल पड़ेगा. थैंक यू, बहुत बोर कर लिया आप लोगों को, अब इसको क्लोज़ करते हैं.